Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. This is the series of tenses. We have already completed 4 tenses and now we are going to learn the simple past tense, that is fifth tense. Let's see the definition of tense. The verb form that indicates the time of an event, an action or state is called tense. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. The following adverbs are used in the simple past tense. Yesterday, last week, last year, last month. See the table of affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentence, that is positive sentence, singular, plural, first person singular, I. I prepared food. So one thing you have to be very clear, when you are using simple past tense, you have to use V2 form of the verb. So main form prepare, and this is the V2 form, that is called past tense form. So I prepared food. I subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. First person plural, we prepared food. We subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. Second person singular, you. You prepared food. You subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. Second person plural, you. You prepared food. You subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. Third person singular, he. He prepared food. He subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. She prepared food. She subject, prepared, V2 form, food, object. It mixed the sand and the water. It subject mixed, V2 form, the sand and the water, that is an object. Third person plural, they prepared food. They subject prepared, V2 form, food, object. Let's see the sentence formation. First you have to start with subject, then you have to use V2 form of the main verb here. Then you have to write an object. Let's see more examples. My father skipped lunch yesterday. So skipped and yesterday both are very essential, because skip, that is V2 form, it indicates that when you use simple past tense you have to use V2 form only. Then yesterday if you want to use, you can use. This is called an adverb. Ruthvi sang a song. Sang, V2 form. He drew a nice picture. Drew, V2 form. We came home late last night. Came and last night. So came, V2 form, last night, adverb. I like the art gallery. Like, V2 form. Last year, I traveled to Japan. Now, last year, adverb and travel, that is V2 form. She read an interesting book last month. Read, V2 form, last month, adverb. The rain stopped an hour ago. Ago, adverb, stop, V2 form. We were good friends. They left the school in 2010. Let's see negative formation. Singular, plural. First person singular, I. I did not prepare food. When you are framing negative sentence, in simple past tense, you have to use did. So here I, that is the subject, did auxiliary verb, not is given because we are framing negative sentence. Prepare V1 form, food and object. Here you have to be very clear while using verb form. Here if you use here did, here you have to use, because this is simple past tense. That's why in negative formation did will come. And when you write did, no need to put V2 form. Here only V1 form will come. First person plural. We did not prepare food. We, subject, did, auxiliary verb, prepare, V1 form, food, object. Second person singular. You did not prepare food. You, subject, did, auxiliary verb. Not is given because we are making negative sentence. Prepare, V1 form, food, object. Second person plural will be the same. You did not prepare food. Third person singular. He did not prepare food. He, subject, did, auxiliary verb, not, prepare, V1 form, food, object. She did not prepare food. She, subject, did, auxiliary verb, prepare, V1 form, food, object. It did not mix the sand and the water. It, subject, did, auxiliary verb, mix, V1 form, the sand and the water, object. Third person plural. They did not prepare food. They, subject, did, auxiliary verb, not because negative sentence, prepare, V1 form, food, object. Sentence formation would be subject, did, not, V1 form of the main verb and object. Let's see interrogative formation. Interrogative means question form. Singular, plural. First person singular. Did I prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, I, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, then put question mark. First person plural. Did we prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, we, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, and then put question mark. Second person singular. Did you prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, you, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, then question mark. Second person plural will be the same. Did you prepare food? Third person singular. Did he prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, he, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, then question mark. Did she prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, she, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, question mark. Did it mix the sand and the water? Did, auxiliary verb, it, subject, mix, V1 form, the sand and the water, object. Third person plural. Did they prepare food? Did, auxiliary verb, they, subject, prepare, V1 form, food, object, then put question mark. Sentence formation. Did, then subject, then V1 form, then object, and at the end question mark. Here we end our session. Hope you learned a lot from this. If you like my video, share, subscribe, hit your comments and press the bell icon. Thank you.